Did you know that back to school shopping is the second largest shopping season of the entire year? Well, lucky for you, that presents a massive opportunity. And as an 8-figure Amazon seller, I'm going to open up the curtains and share with you guys a PPC campaign strategy to help you guys maximize and increase sales during seasonal events like back to school shopping. Let's get into it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Trent Peterson. I'm a full-time 8-figure Amazon seller. And today I'm going to show you guys how to create an easy PPC campaign to help you guys maximize seasonal events like back to school, Black Friday, Cyber Monday. This is extremely powerful. And I want to jump into my screen and share with you guys something that Amazon ads actually found when it comes to marketing trends. So here's an article that they released and it says back to school marketing trends. And there's 3 of them. Demand for back to school items increase. And this is kind of crazy, but according to a National Retail Federation 2022 report, there was a total spend of $36.9 billion between clothing, shoes, accessories, school supplies, electronics, and computer-related items. That's absolutely insane. And so that shows that back to school, there is so much demand and more people are shopping. And so we need to take advantage of that. So that's the first trend. We've got parents prioritize healthy choices. So this is where parents are looking to help their children. They're looking to, hey, we need to make sure that they start this school year on track. And so if you guys are selling products that fit that criteria, well, you need to take advantage of it. And this is a great time to leverage Amazon ads, such as PPC, to grow your sales. The third one is shoppers are online. And we've seen this time and time again. More and more people are shopping online. And it says, according to a 2022 survey, 71% of respondents report buying groceries online. And back to school shopping specifically, 50% of shoppers are saying that they're planning to buy their items online. So as you can see, again, this is the second largest shopping season of the entire year. I was not aware of this, but thanks to Amazon ads, they're actually sponsoring this video. They filled me in on this and they want me to break down how you can leverage this back to school shopping event to help increase your sales. So let's jump into the strategy, and we're going to be, again, creating a PPC campaign that is seriously super simple and easy to set up. So let's jump into my screen, and what we're going to do is you're going to go to your Seller Central account and go to your Amazon ads advertising dashboard, where you're going to hit choose campaign type. From here, you're going to select sponsored products, and we're going to promote product listings. So you're going to hit continue. From here, it's going to take us to actually creating the campaign. So you can create an ad group name, so you can name it whatever you want. You can say back to school. It does not matter. Just come up with whatever name you want. Then you're going to come over here and you're going to select the product that you want to advertise. So you're going to add that product. And then once you add the product, you're going to scroll down. And this is where you're going to come to the targeting type. And this is where we're going to select manual targeting. This is super important for the strategy that we're going to be using. And we're going to select keyword targeting. So from there, you're going to come down and there's going to be some suggestions, and Amazon ads actually recommends a lot of good keywords. But for this particular strategy, we're going to enter a list, and I'm going to show you guys how we're going to find the keywords for this list. It's something that not a lot of people talk about, so I'm excited to share with you guys. So the match type, we're just going to do broad and exact. We're going to eliminate phrase. And that is basically the stopping point to where now we need to go and find the keywords for this campaign. And how we're going to do that is by using what's called brand analytics. So if you go to your Seller Central account, you log in and you come down to brands. And then if you come to brand analytics, you're going to click on that and you're going to come to the search analytics and you're going to come to top search terms. This is an amazing tool and it's actually a benefit of brand registry. So if you guys aren't brand registered, I would recommend getting brand registered. And if you don't have brand registry, then there are third-party tools that you can use. But for me, having it inside Seller Central and using the brand analytics dashboard makes it super easy. So the strategy, again, is we have that PPC campaign halfway set up. But the second part is we need to find the keywords for this campaign. And here's how you can do that step by step. So again, we're in the top search terms. You're going to come over here to this little search term, and we're going to say that I am selling this product. And this is actually a product that I sold a few years back. It's a little school supplies kit. It's a unicorn themed, comes with a pencil case and pencils, some sticky notes, and it was a fantastic product. And so if this is my product, well, I want to find keywords that fit this particular product product during this seasonal event, which is back to school shopping. So if you guys sell electronics, you guys sell food, again, the healthy food, you can find keywords that are specifically meant for this shopping season of back to school. And so since I'm selling a school supply kit, I'm going to come right here to the search terms tab, and I'm going to type in school, and I'm going to hit refine results. And from here, the top search terms from search analytics are going to show me the search frequency and the keywords that people are searching for. So we've got school supplies. We've got a lot that might not be relevant, like kids headphones for school, but maybe you sell headphones, and that's a great keyword for you to use. Maybe you sell notebooks, but right here, we've got another one, back to school supplies. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to copy these keywords. So we've got school supplies, we've got back to school supplies, we've got tote bag for school, first day of school board, back to school, all of these keywords, pens for school, I definitely want that. And I'm going to create a list on a Google Doc or an Excel sheet so that I can then take these keywords and put them into my PPC campaign. So once I scroll through this list, as you can see, there's literally pages. I'm going to come over here and I'm actually going to find additional keywords. So I'm going to type in school girls, since this is a supply kit for girls, since it's unicorn themed. And as you can see, if we scroll down right here, we're going to see school supplies for girls. And if we continue to scroll down, we've got additional keywords right here, school supplies for teen girls. And so these are specific keywords that fit this shopping season of back to school. And you can do the same exact thing for Black Friday or Cyber Monday. And again, you're going to create this list of keywords that are relevant to this certain shopping or seasonal event. And so I'll give you guys an example for Black Friday or Cyber Monday. Since it's holiday season, people are going to be shopping for gifts. You can come right here. And since I know that this is a great gift for girls, I could type in teen gifts. And if I hit refine results, I'm going to find a ton of additional search terms. So teen girl gifts, trendy stuff, gifts for teen girls, teen girl gifts. Like there's lists of keywords that I can then take and put into the PPC campaign. So for this particular one is back to school focused. And that's what you're going to do is you're going to get that list. You're going to paste it right here. You're going to add the keywords. You're going to adjust the bid. And then from there, you're going to come down. And what I like to do is I'm going to put the dynamic bids down only. And basically what that means is it's not going to go up. It's only going to go down. So you kind of set a bid. And let's say you set $1, it's not going to go past that dollar. It's only going to go down. And then from there, you're going to give it a campaign name. You're going to hit the start date, and then you're going to put a daily budget. And I would recommend at least the price of your product. So around like 20, 30 bucks. And so this one, it was a $20 kit. So I would say at least a daily budget of 20, if not more. Then you hit launch campaign. And then as things are going, you're going to continue to refine that campaign. So once you start gathering data, you're going to see what's working and what's not. You might have to increase your budgets. You might have to increase your bids. Maybe certain keywords aren't performing and others are. And the ones that are performing, double down. The ones that aren't performing, you're going to turn off. So that is the simple and easy campaign strategy. It's manual keyword targeting campaign using keywords from brand analytics to help you identify these keyword opportunities for the seasonal event of back to school shopping. Now, I hope that this easy step-by-step tutorial on creating a PPC campaign targeting seasonal events like back to school gets you excited to go out and create your PPC campaign for events like this. Now, this doesn't just work for back to school. It will work for additional events like Black Friday, Cyber Monday. It's seriously a very underrated strategy that not enough people are using, is taking advantage of the search terms from brand analytics and capitalizing on those keywords. Again, this is a prime example. This was an amazing product, especially during this time of year. And when I would create campaigns with this simple structure, I would skyrocket sales. So get excited, go out and create your first PPC campaign using this step-by-step tutorial. And I'm super excited for you guys to dive into this a little bit more. And if you guys have any other questions, let me know in the comments down below. And I will also link in the description a special resource for you from Amazon Ads directly. This resource is going to give you additional tips when it comes to Amazon Ads strategy to maximize special events like back to school shopping. Anyways, click the link in the description. I appreciate you guys watching, and we will see you in the next one.